Question number 1. The central nervous system CNS consists of option A brain and spinal cord, option B brain and corneal nerves, option C spinal nerves and ganglia, option D brain and muscles. Question number 2. The basic functional unit of the nervous system is the option A neuron, option B nephron, option C alveolus, option D osteocyte. Question number 3. Which part of a neuron usually receives signals from other neurons? Option A axon, option B dendrite, option C myelin sheath, option D axon terminal. Question number 4. Which part of a neuron carries impulses away from the cell body? Option A dendrite, option B soma, option C axon, option D nucleus. Question number 5. Myelin mainly functions to option A slow nerve impulses, option B insulate axons and increase conduction speed, option C produce neurotransmitters, option D digest damaged neurons. Question number 6. The peripheral nervous system (PNS) includes option A only the brain, option B brain and spinal cord, option C nerves and ganglia outside the CNS, option D only the spinal cord. Question number 7. Which part of the brain is primarily associated with balance and coordination? Option A cerebellum, option B medulla oblongata, option C hypothalamus, option D thalamus. Question number 8. Which brain region is important for regulating body temperature and homeostasis? Option A cerebellum, option B hypothalamus, option C occipital lobe, option D pons. Question number 9. The medulla oblongata contains centers important for regulating. Option A voluntary writing, option B breathing and cardiovascular activity, option C color vision, option D hearing only. Question number 10. Which structure is a major relay station of sensory information to the cerebral cortex? Option A thalamus, option B cerebellum, option C spinal nerve. Question number 11. The outer layer of the cerebrum is mainly option A white matter, option B gray matter, option C cartilage, option D bone. Question number 12. A rapid automatic response to a stimulus is called a option A reflex action, option B hormonal cycle, option C voluntary movement, option D digestion. Question number 13. In a typical reflex arc, sensory information first enters the spinal cord through the option A dorsal root, option B ventral root, option C motor and plate, option C cerebellum. Question number 14. The automatic nervous system mainly controls option A voluntary skeletal muscle movement, option B involuntary function of internal organs, option C only conscious thought, option D bone growth. Question number 15. The sympathetic division generally prepares the body for option A rest and digestion, option B fight or flight activity, option C sleep only, option D long term memory. Question number 16. The parasympathetic division generally promotes option A rest and digestion, option B fight or flight activity, option C rapid running only, option D voluntary movement. Question number 17. A neurotransmitter is released from the option A dendrite only, option B axon terminal, option C nucleus, option D myelin sheath. Question number 18. Small gap between communicating neurons is called the option A sympathetic cleft, option B central canal, option C ventricle, option D node of Renwire. Question number 19. Which cells provide support and other functions for neurons? Option A glial cells, option B red blood cells, option C platelets, option D osteoblasts. Question number 20. The spinal cord mainly provides a pathway for option A sensory information to the brain and motor commands for option B only digestion, option C only hormone secretion, option D only vision. Comment the answer. ऐसे मज़ीद वीडियोस के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को लाजमी शेयर करें।